Blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss. If you know over TikTok, I watch this. This is not a TikTok stream. This stream over YouTube. So come on over YouTube, like, share, and subscribe. MIXUP boss YouTube to find full content. So this is just a little small peek. All right. So this American lady reached out to me. I gave her a man off of my platform, off of my dating show. Zane. And this is why enough woman afraid of Jamaican man. This is why enough woman overseas afraid of Jamaican man. I mean, not gonna lie again. Every time I have to defend a Jamaican man, you have real youth out here who want a real woman to make ends meet. But it's a man like them, then just licky and make it bad for we as a Jamaican. But me not talk much. Me make you hear what the lady I complain about, and then now me I go play the part where the man I defend it and say nothing no go so. Stay tuned, grab on the popcorn, no want to miss this. I could drive and listen. The man want to talk about. So hold on, don't say nothing. Guys, I have here on the phone one of my followers who watch my show and I preview Omar. This is the Omar that I preview on the show. The Omar, the country one. I know I'm mistaken the Omar. The Omar from country. I think I St. Mary. He say I'm a farmer and him travel already and him a seek a woman. So this lady reached out to me. Love everything when she hear. And this is what she experienced by talking to him. Go on and talk, friend. I'm not going to intervene. Yeah.
Okay, this is about Omar the farmer. So, like Damien said, I reached out to him, got the number, was talking to Omar, no problem. First day conversation went smooth, what he was looking for and everything. Then all of a sudden it switched to his daughter needed a tablet because it was working. Okay, he tugged at the heart a little bit because, it's a little girl and you don't want her to go a road when she say our father can't afford certain things. It never there cost me nothing. Send $100, get her a phone. All of a sudden the phone went from, him not have no minutes, him not need money for plan, and him phone important and him internet now work, and that went on for a while as to why the internet so important and him need credit. Every day you talk to him, my sister hotspot me depon. When my daughter did get her phone, she get like a credit and a fear hotspot me depon. Then it turned into, but me not have no money, I want to do a job at Portland, and me need fear for God, and me not have no money. My daughter need back to school. Boy, me not think she have nothing for go back to school, and I probably can't send her back to school till October. She just have to go understand that because me not have no money for no uniform. The books, them is so stressed out. Then it became, you get the fear, you're going to Portland for the job, you're supposed to work a week, and the money they're supposed to go buy your daughter stuff. Then all of a sudden it turned in, only 2 days me can't work. Me not have no money for food, not even food. Me not have not even money for a cup of tea. Me hungry, me head hurt. Me not have no money. Me not have no food. Boy, things rough at Jamaica. Boy, me could have helped myself or even get like a chicken for raise or get some corn for plant. And me so stressed out. Me don't know how my daughter go back to school. Then the man have the nerve to come sit down and I come talk about Damien Shrug a flop because him a keep on a show man picture and the man say I'm gonna sue him and Damien and a good smarty. Then it became, you talk to Damien about me? You talk to Damien? No, sir. Stop walking and begging people things. People tired for hear it. You come on the program, you say you wanted somebody and you wanted to make a life with somebody, but the minute them start talk to you, all of a sudden it's, you don't have no money, you're this, you're that, things hard at Jamaica. Sir, things is hard everywhere. The first lady where you tell me say from Westmoreland, it never did go work because she live with man. And you want somebody for yourself, or somebody you want for yourself for going to church. Sir, go take care of yourself and take care of your child before you can look no woman.
All right, one next thing I want to talk to you about. You send me a text, you screenshot a text and me say, him ask if it $20 and him go on it. What you say him go on the farm? What you say him go on the farm and him say him nah, whatever have not minutes or something like so.
Yeah, so all that though, it send me. Oh, me never want to ask you this, but you can send me $20, so me can buy some food, me can buy some flour and some saltfish, and me want to get some corn, so me can plant some corn, so it can ready by December, so me can sell it. And the food that me have on the farm, it not fit yet, so me not have nothing to eat, and we don't even have nothing. So my daughter here there, I don't know how she go eat.
Wow. Ooh. But this man come on the platform and tell me that he's a farmer and he travel already and he just want a serious relationship. But based on when I understand, I be a pressure you under. I be a pressure this man a pressure you, because you tell to me say you buy my daughter a phone, and then after you buy your daughter a phone, you come like everything else he might have problem.
Everything else the man have problem. Everything else, they all talk about him travel before. Meanwhile, him a tell me say if him coulda get him passport, him woulda get him passport and come. So he coulda come America, and nobody not fi do nothing for him because he just want a bus, and I just he want come do a little work. But meanwhile, you've never had a passport. According to you, you never had a passport yet, and you could try to apply for your passport. So I don't know how you did go on farm work before, but yet you never have no passport yet, and you never have a driver's license. You need $30,000 for go do backdoor business because everybody get driver's license.
So when last I talk to him, because I give him a warning, I was on the show and I say, Omar, the farmer, more you make sure, say, I have 3 Omar on my show. One with Cassie, one we work at the hotel, and the other one I farmer. So which Omar we are talking about, and I want to put it out there clearly.
Omar, the farmer from St. Mary.
All right. That more here. And this is the problem I have with them. I talk to them, I say, guys, if you know have a company show, just be honest. Stop play games. Stop going like you don't expect people I'm firing for. Then take your show and them take it for some things and wait on them them understand now. You see show me run the show, me admin, anything go down sour, there are people them is going to reach out to me. So whether you do good or bad, and me them I reach out to. Because y'all tell me say I tell you say in 4.5 minutes. After you buying that a tablet, he might tell you say what? He want a 2-day plan and all sort of foolishness for a big man. So none of him is a big farmer, I can't think, and send me be a picture with crop. So how him survive?
But that's what but I even said to him, I said, I guess what people say, as long as you are farming in Jamaica, you never go hungry. Oh, you call me liar? No, I'm not calling you a liar, but you tell me, say, you're off farm. You tell me the other day, say, you soon call me back because your mother want you go pick breadfruit so they can roast. So, what happened to that? You tell me, say, you have peppermint. If you did so hungry, you never have nothing for you. Go make a cup of tea, go pick some peppermint and boil some water. So, all of a sudden, your internet now work for months, and your sister hotspot, use. Everything, it's always a story. When people, you think sometimes I don't listen to you when you talk. I listen, I ignore you, but I know it's going to come back up again, and you're telling lies, a lie on top of a lie. I tell you, talk about you got to work, you got to pick coffee at Portland. First he said, you got to clear your head. You want to go down to Portland and go down there for a week because at least the man have internet. I said to you, Omar, why are you leaving your daughter for go to Portland for go stay with a man for a week? Because you hungry, I can't you. So how she going to eat? My mother never feed her, man. Then now going to make she hungry. Then all of a sudden you come back from Portland where the man never give you no pay because every 2 weeks the man give you pay. And boy, you don't even have money to give your daughter to go buy a little food. So I say, Omar, you know, tell me, say, your mother will make sure, say, she eat. Oh, then they on pension, and if them not have no money, she not go eat. She can't eat. So, them are go feed, them are go make them granddaughter in the house and hungry, or them are go make give her a little food to eat.
What is status with the relationship? Him call you, or you call him, what happened now?
No, Damien. Let's get that corrected. There's no relationship. There was somebody I was corresponding with over the phone. So he called me today angry because I guess you did say something about him on your show yesterday. You did call him out or whatever. I don't know. I didn't listen to your show yesterday. So I said to him, no, I don't know what you're talking about. I haven't spoken to Damien. So it looks like a block me, so it's going to be block for block. As far as I'm concerned, him don't owe me nothing, and me don't owe him nothing. I hope the $100 every time I look on that phone, him can say, all right, I got a gift, I got it out of her. No problem.
Right, that's all. So him still getting off I show said way. And you know, say, I mistake your number because a two lady, when you call and ask for him number, you have one and another lady call and say she want to bless him daughter with $100 and she want to bless me with $100. So a two person, so I don't know if the other lady I go through one piece of agony, because I never know so them something you are enduring and go through with this man. Can I ask him what happened to the two woman we give you, say him delete them number him and them not talk again. So I think say and him not talk. I never know say behind the scene of them thing are going.
But first of all, from the first time sit down and then come, him make it. I said to him originally, when him say, oh, him tell Damien say him have kids or him have a daughter, and him send Damien the picture. I said, don't ever do that again. Don't ever send no, because you think say you and people are friends. You don't send a minor child picture to no grown man. Y'all look at woman. Don't send your kids picture to nobody. That is something which you don't do. And from this, me and him did a talk. And you know, him a talk about him want a relationship like him parents, or 8 of them, him parents them have, and them get together, and him brother married, and him and him wife come from nothing, and them build big now. I say, yeah, they were younger when they must start life together, but you can't sit down and come from a stage where you are tell a woman, say, you don't even have food for eat, and they not even bus fare and all them, there's something there. Where she must come from now and pick up a man in a dem kind of time here. You're nobody's child. Nobody now look for minor picnic. You have to be able to bring something to the table. You're a farmer, but at the same time, you don't have food. What kind of farmer who don't have food? It's like going to a barber shop and a barber can't cut your ear. That don't make no sense. If that's your livelihood, you're supposed to have cropper coming every season. Because we have drought down here, not growing, not. I say not even 2 bananas you can sit down and go get or go sell something on market. Nothing.
Wow.
Everything these man them in a Jamaica talk about, actually you don't live in Jamaica, you don't understand how hard it is. Everywhere hard.
One question before I go. How tall is this Omar?
Omar the farmer tell me he is 5'6". So he's a very short man.
And you know like short man?
Me don't want no short man. Me don't want a man with me looking at the eye.
Alright, my friend. You say you don't want to come publicly call your voice and you have a heap of people that watch you. So me pre-record this and I'm going to play it for my live later. So me change up the voice and thing. But thanks for reaching out to me and so me can showcase them type of person. I don't want them on my platform. Because I block him from my phone. Because he's keep on pissing me. Oh! You give other man 2 chances and now give me 2 chances. And I never know, say, him have you behind the scene attack. I want to hear from the next lady if she go through them something too. So I'm going to search my phone and look for her number. See? So big up yourself.
Alright, that day, man.
Yeah.
Take it easy and keep up the good work.
Alright. Boy, them say two sides to a story. Two sides to a story. That is one. See? So after me preview that last night, guys, I know a lot of you maybe was on the show. Omar was in the comment section saying it's a lie, two sides to a story. But I'm a fair guy. Me say, alright, make me call Omar. I'm making calling on the show, make me hear what go on. Because she also sent me a screenshot with Omar. I beg $20, guys. $20 US. Omar could have called me as a blogger and say, I beg more than 3 or 5 grand and I just send it in your account. Because I know that mean. So I stay, I help a lot of people. Omar, I beg you lady, $20. But anyway, I could hear what Omar have to say, you know, because Omar did call in on the show. So this is from my live stream. So I could hear what Omar say if he go dismiss all of them allegations or what taking place. Because I love split justice. I could drive and listen. Yeah, everything where lady say, what you have to say about that? What you have to say about what she say? Everything what she say are true, right?
Say, alright. You hear me?
Yeah, man, I hear
her. Yeah, she buy my daughter a phone. She never asked her for the money still for the phone because based on the reason, so she buy her a phone when me give thanks to that also. But me never did ask her for the money for nothing like them thing that she assists to.
So you never beg her $20 and say you want some food? You never beg her $20?
You may ask her for $20?
Yeah.
No, I didn't ask her for no $20. She me tell her, say, I never had a credit card. Wi-Fi, the chip out for 28 days and we have to buy credit for me to put on a service. And she said she did go send some minutes. And so I know all the $20 coming out. And so. And the thing is, I find out that she never really real from a man. Because she has said me, and she never really real from a man. Because she has said she don't want a man with no, because she are. What she really has said, she said she know in her sex thing. So I say, oh, can me go take over a woman, married to a woman, and she has said she know in her sex thing. She want a man with just company in her sex thing. Yeah, understand? And I say, this a woman is not serious. This a woman could like say a joking thing she depends.
So when you hear she says so now, you say to yourself, so when you hear she says so, you say, alright, I'm trying to out the woman then. Because if she don't want me, I'm trying.
No, I'm not remote, and you don't give me nothing for me remote. I'm not remote. I tell you, I have my farm, but sometimes the farm is really upstairs. Sometimes, because we joke, it kind of mash it up. But I'm a hard-working person. I don't ask her for nothing. She said she go buy my daughter a phone based on the conversation with her from she said, me buy my daughter a phone and say I go buy her one. And so I don't like me, I push her for nothing. I just tell her the truth. I tell her, I not tell her no lie. I don't ask her for nothing. You understand? So I don't know where the $20 thing come from. She tell me say, me not to make nobody come between me and her and all this. I me not to go back on the show and get the number because she said she like me and then sitting there. But she say after a while she say she not really like the sex thing. And she not in her sex thing. So I say, oh come if you take up a woman, married to a woman and we not go have sex and me I just 43 and you understand and I like say me not on nature or me would get her then you understand?
Yeah. But basically Omar, you not beg her no money then. She just
no, me not beg her no money.
So all of them time there.
I talk all the while, good reason and thing. Me tell her the truth. Me not beg her nothing. Me tell her say the Wi-Fi she go for 28 days now and all we call them and you go fix it. So me have to put on crate every meet. And she not say like she just send on crate and this and she send me $10 crate all the time and so. Me not beg her no money. Beg her money for what? Me not beg her no money. No, so me not ask her for no money.
So no begging no go on. You're a hard-working person, you have your farm, so no begging no go on or nothing like that then.
Yeah, me not beg her no money. So me no know me frightened because even when that's how me don't buy your ask you a wine even for a day. Me not ask you a cousin and text you. Me say I walk, could I walk. I me know me not do nothing wrong. You understand? So me don't know where the message come from. It's like she just deliver somebody idea because she feels me talk with somebody else. She don't want to say, me not to take the number. Me not to go back on the show and they say anybody call me not to tell them say me find somebody and all this. So me don't know. She just plan something to come say me don't know what she talking.
Okay.
Because a hard-working person, man. Me not big her, not even tell her me not ask her for. Because me learn, remember saying talk to me, man. And you talk to me and show me what go on and so you with her, man. You tell you, understand?
Yeah,
she tell me say she come in September. but she not sure. And she want to see me and then sit there. But me don't know what kicking her head. I just some little jealous idea. Because don't for me say me not go up on the show and lay sit me. You understand?
Okay. All right.
And me not any other woman, me not call me or they sit there, me not give up my number and they sit. So me don't know what she talk, but I'm frightened.
Okay. But if you still appreciate her,
and she's me based on the conversation, she said she go buy me daughter phone. She send the money for the back to school or nothing.
no man, she never said she send the money for back to school.
Money me not ask her, what 20 lakh can do?
Well on, she never say you ask her back to school. She tell her the problem them. So you pitting her go get for go school and you this and that.
No, listen, he asked me when to back to school already, but tell her say me take my time I do little but things kinda really hectic and now cause mostly me depend on the farm and through the drought and kind of mash up the farm and so, but me do look work now and then. So I truth, me I tell her me not big or nothing. You understand? Me not tell her say she send this and send. Actually, me not bigger. Me not bigger or nothing.
So Omar, why did you contact me last week and say that you need me to set you up on other woman because
No, because deep down me say she said no listen deep down me say she not what you say?
no man, me I say remember you linked me a week ago. So me figure you put up back a picture you want one new woman. And me said to you, so me give you 2 woman so me can put you back on the platform. And you say, oh, me give other man 2 woman. So me say, alright then. You try get nosy with me so me block you. You know so me block you, because you're supposed to know. Me block you. Because me not really want engage.
3, 4 months and you must work out, you know.
Yeah, but when me tell you how me do my show. Yeah, but listen, no. So once me give you 2 woman, and then try with it and it not work, I move on to other people. Other people,
yeah,
depend on you see me?
But I assure you say, when she a come, she now come give me a bad name because I'm not big or nothing. I'm a hard-working person, and you understand? I like me ask her, you know, she make half and buy, me never ask her to buy no phone, and she buy me daughter phone, and I thank her very much. You understand? So I don't like saying when I pressure her just to she kind of kicking a jealousness in her because she get to like me that way, and we don't really meet it. She don't come to Jamaica yet and things, you understand?
Alright, here me I go do.
She call me, text me all the while and question me about things. Like, you know, when a man and a woman are together and like, them are, watch them all then sitting there. You understand? So she always question me about things and then something there. So I don't know why she can make up this now and can talk. You understand?
And I really that I know. She fed up a whole heap of things. But where you were saying now, me give a platform for talk. So here we go on. Me see she did a call me a while ago. So I call her back. If she willing to come on, me make she talk. Alright, now say 40. Big up yourself.
She have a little jealousness now too, you understand?
Alright. Oh, I see she did a call me. Hold on there. We get to the bottom of this. Ask him what was him about. Hold on. She did send me a receipt, but I said me see it right there, so hold on. Keep himself quiet. I'm not taking a call yet, guys. Hold on. So I'm going to feed this now. This juicy. Alright, ready now. Omar, I talk about his sister now. I call my sister and did ask her for your money to buy some food, but me don't get it. I don't like to ask still, but at the first, me I go ask you for 20. Me rotted. Omar, you a liar, man. Jesus, God in heaven. Hold on, then, I can't take no call. I have to go send this to my moderator. Kiss me neck. Oh God, Omar man, you are a wicked liar man. Omar man. You say 2 sides to a story. I screenshot this. I send my moderator them then see it. Jesus, God in heaven. You man screenshot you, Omar. Omar. Jesus, God in heaven. Hold on. Where my admin then there? Hold on. When you check on the phone. Jesus, God, Omar, you man screenshot you. Kiss me neck. Liberty come through carelessness. Omar, may I send it you? Huh? All the name up on the top to rotted. Ooh. Omar, there. Check your phone, Omar. Woman have a receipt rated. Omar, see it there? I'm finished reading. Jesus, God help me. Me there I say two, I really one side to his story when you come on to them case, yeah. And not two side to no story. You man screenshot is something. You man not tell a lie, Omar. Jesus, God, Omar, me I read you up back. I hope your sister now watch it. See she store your name as farming. See it there? See it there, Omar? She not tell a lie, see it there?
Yada and yada abroad. There's only one way to safely, reliably shop online.
Me get this a screenshot of on Sunday. But me not really want to come out with something and something she not like it. The woman them a fire not join the show for them something there. When you can talk to a woman and if you all want 2-3 months and not mention nothing about no money, brother. Unless it's something important. Where $20 I go do? Tell me. $20 when me use to renew my app them on my phone. How much it $20? Let me see. $20 that be about $3,000. Jesus, Omar, when you beg, you beg big, yeah? Beg 200 and up. Ooh. Alright. Let me see this now. Ready now. Let me finish reading. Because I can't believe it. It surprised me. I never know say Omar would God no. I apologize to you. Zane, you know why I apologize to you? You have ambition. You have ambition. Bad to bad. You do want car from Bernice. Fear demands more higher. Linval more make a public apologize to you. You have ambition. Even though you did a try scam, you have ambition. You never beg Bernice $20. You never bring it down so low. Big up yourself, Linval. You have ambition. And may I take this time off to give a public apology. You have ambition. Sir, I might put you up and run joke or whatever. You have ambition. I may applaud you for that. Omar, you're the back of the class. You're the number one leech upon you. Omar, I think that this a man would have beat everybody, but Omar, you tap him. The $20 thing that was stuck in the head. How are the woman right? $20, Omar? 20? When I beg $20, woman look down upon your woman and say, what is? What is this? $20? Then he call me say, ladies in the car hungry. Food galore. Food galore, no food. I did wrong to rat it. Guys, hungry with that killer now. Eh? Yeah.
No, it's me that this is the man to one. We the man attack, when him attack, me know say lie myself still.
Eh?
Me just know say lie still. Yeah, but him attack. So when I tell me other things say, where the woman say, I don't think I want beg. I don't think. I say no say 20 I really want beg, but you beg it 20 that as a little sham.
Yeah. That one lady say.
Right. Yeah, very. Because she lady, I say, see. Long time I walk across, I say, people my talk, the thing I think about me my talk, I say, talk.
Yeah.
So I say, what car, I say, me know my pen talk. I say, go no, I see them now, I give man bad behavior, you know.
And look on somebody like you. Look how you're there on the show and one woman. You're there on the show 1 year now. And look one woman and can't get one. 1 year.
Yes, it. All right.
Yeah.
Because you want a real one, want a woman can trust me. Because I'm a man that trust every man.
Yeah.
Yeah, but woman want me that you know, love me and say then stop talking after the things said, you know. I've never asked nothing here.
Yes.
No man ever talk about nothing.
Yeah. Because you're a real man.
Yeah.
True.
I'm gonna beg woman in kind of way.
True.
I want to me beg the man up front.
Yes.
Now they say me beg them it.
Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, you see it, my brother. I say nothing, man. Big up yourself.
Big up yourself, my boss.
That's
Cool.
the way for me again.
Yeah, man. Cool.
All right, bless up.
Yeah. Oh, God. him now? When last you talk to him?
He's such a liar. He call me like 500 times for the day. My
What?
daughter gets so upset most of the time and say, Mommy, why he's calling you so much time?
But he tell the lady say no want you and... Oh. Oh.
He's such a liar. But I have a man. I ain't got no man.
Jesus God. Ah.
The first time he called me, he's like, I must come up to visit him.
Visit
I
him?
said to him one of the time, because he come like every day asking me when I'm coming up. I said, really, I have to take a taxi to come to you. And me watch Omar, me watch MIXUP show like every night. And I heard a lady talking about not to take a taxi to go look for a man, so I'm not coming.
Right. That a Bernice, take taxi if you go look for man. No, that don't make no sense. So in one, if he does come in yard, so Jesus God. So him now want meet and go have a look a drink. If he just go in yard, so in Westmoreland lady. What if share me good?
Yeah.
Westmoreland lady.
Yes.
In just want you come in yard, so.
Yeah.
So when you want you come in yard do? Help him straighten up his house or what?
I don't know. He come like every day asking me when I'm coming up. I don't know where to find where he live.
Okay, wow. Right, Omar start right. Omar a woman of foreign. Omar a woman. So you block him?
I can call me since I can say to myself, in can't get to watch him because you block him, so I must send him the link. I sent him the link from yesterday, which I was sleeping last night when the show was going on. So now me come and listen, me find out what happened, so I blocked him off my phone.
You block him off your phone. Now gonna wear a lady, a soccer, you want soccer, yo.
You know, get the chance too.
You want soccer, yo. The veggie. Yeah. You know what? So I look like other farming, the other farming they did want to do farm morning. The farming they want to, you know, want the ground farming. Eh? You want the ear farming.
Well, every minute input up like pumpkin, corn and all that, and it's DP. Whenever my daughter see my phone ringing, he come, Mommy, your phone ringing, who is calling? It's the corn man.
Corn man. Corn man. What am I gonna cut now? No, stop it now. Corn man. Jeez, the man plant more. Listen to me now, man.
What's going on?
The man plant punk. Listen.
Listen to the show, then I would maybe take a chance. But
The man plant pumpkin and other things, man. You can't disrespect the man about corn man. Corn man is calling. Oh God, we can't manage it now.
Since time my phone ringing and my daughter asked my daughter who is it instead of the pumpkin man because it's changed the DP and put pumpkin.
Oh, he put pumpkin now, so he's the pumpkin man. Jesus God, why oh boy, I tell you. What a show.
Nothing that I'm hearing.
Well, you hear it. And this is how this platform stay now. I always tell people.
Anyway, I'm listening to the show. I watch a show every night, Damien.
Yeah, man. Continue watch it and hope you find somebody nice.
You're doing a good job.
Yeah, man. Thank you. Big up yourself.
Okay.
Bye. So there you have it, guys. So me say alleged farmer. The lady reach out, send him $100 because she like him daughter. Zin, you know, that's a good gesture, nothing wrong. Other lady did reach out and also send him, send him $100 too. And now the first lady will reach out for him number. I'm a 43 and I'm a farmer, so people are saying I have ambition. Man, I beg $20, man, I have internet problem, all sort of problem. I hear it in the first part, boy. I'm tired enough of it. Somehow, no. Right, I wish I could have do a background check, but I can't do it. But you know what? Anything in the dark must come in the light. So if you know, keep on a beg, when your true colors are going to show and people are going to find out and expose, you know. Big up on yourself, guys. Like, share, and I don't know. I'm out. So, no, later.